So guys, welcome back to the channel. Down here at Phillips Park this morning, got Josh there in front, got our Harry here at the side. Jess has gone off doing some laps. We've got Luke and his friend, so should be a fun morning. So we'll take us along for the ride, catch us out there. So just cruising down behind our Harry, got Josh in front. And Luke and his mate are going to catch us up. Jess is doing laps. So we're going to have a full morning, bit of a chill ride, just a bit of catch on the jumps. Our Harry's not ridden his bike in around 2 to 3 months, I think. So yeah, just taking it easy this morning, just having fun. Sick truck. Don't know how far he got with it, Joe. He's supposed to be following us. He might have just followed Harry. Our Harry's behind him. Right. Josh in for that. Down to the table for a little bit, have a couple of runs on the table with our Harry. Our Harry's not ridden for months, so have you, mate?
That was better, that one.
Yeah? Bit of a table session with our Harry at the minute. Get used to his bike again. So we've seen who can jump the furthest on this last table. My turn now. Go! Who's furthest? You. I knew you was going to be furthest. I felt like that was not fun. So we've been doing a little competition to see who can get the furthest off this last table down here at Phillips. And we've got Josh who's winning. We've worked out it's probably about 8 metres we think. And then me next, there's mine. And then, what's your name again, mate? Dan. Dan, same as me after. And then Luke after that. So yeah, some distance that. Some distance. the train, you've had Larry, Luke, Josh, before we get off. Fun morning with the guys, as always. So, fun day down here at Phillips Park with the guys. We're all just heading back to the cars now. Everyone's knackered and freezing cold. So yeah, catch you guys on the next one. See you soon.